Welcome back to my channel, Doris's Daily Deets, where I discuss everything from fashion, beauty, luxury, a lot more luxury as of late, to lifestyle. And as you could tell by the title, today's video is going to be another handbag unboxing. So if you are interested in this handbag, because of course it's definitely from a designer that you don't generally think of when purchasing handbags, I want you to stay tuned and keep on watching. But before we get into that, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you have not hit that notification bell yet, make sure you go ahead and hit that notification bell as well. Of course, make sure you guys are commenting, liking, sharing, thumbs up, and all that good stuff, because again, that is how YouTube is going to know to keep recommending my content to viewers just like you guys. And of course, I'm just trying to just build my platform, get my numbers up, and that's going to be oh so helpful to me. And of course, it's free. If you have not hit that notification bell yet, can't forget to do that either, because that's again when you're going to know when I'm uploading these types of videos. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and just jump right into the video. So first off, let me go ahead and just start this video by saying that I am so sorry, guys. I had to take a brief break. I missed my Sunday video. We're back on our regular schedule programming here. And I really just want to go ahead and just touch on what handbag that I went ahead and purchased. So basically, I was on the hunt for a red handbag. I searched high and low, and I'm very particular with the types of handbags that I get. I did not want anything that was over a certain price point, because red is not a handbag that I'm going to be gravitating towards every day. But I also wanted it to be a good quality handbag, and it had to have certain features. So I'm just going to just quit rambling, and I'm going to just go ahead and just show you guys what I got and who I got it from. And as you can tell by the title, I'm pretty sure you already know. But of course, I just wanted to do a brief intro so I can let you guys know. So, the handbag is here. It came in this box just like this. It's not like a true unboxing, because I did have to I was thirsty. I had to see exactly what this was going to look like. But it did come just wrapped just like this in this big old box. It did not come with like an actual handbag box, just the packaging box and a dust bag. So I'll show you that here. But yeah, that's pretty much the presentation. As you can tell, it is by Stuart Weitzman. And yeah, I'm a little surprised too. I did not know that Stuart Weitzman made handbags. I don't even see that many reviews on Stuart Weitzman handbags, if any at all. So I'm like, perfect segue for me to go ahead and be the first one to do it. Because in case you guys were wondering or interested, I just thought that you might want to know. So it comes, this pretty blue, your typical Stuart Weitzman hand packaging, the gold sticker. I really like that about him. And a lot of videos about Stuart Weitzman have been floating around as of late. A lot of that is just because of the fact that, it's boot season, it's fall. A lot of people have really been into his handbags. So, his handbags, his boots and stuff like that. And I've been seeing a lot of like sponsorships and stuff. But anyway, let me stop rambling. So it comes in this pretty pink dust bag. It had like a sticker, the item number. It just says Stuart Weitzman right here. So you still definitely do get the luxury feel for the handbag. And then, sorry guys. And then it has this envelope. Of course, when you get a luxury purchase, it generally does come in an envelope. I'm just covering up my address there because I don't need everybody knowing where I live, but it just comes like that. And that's the receipt and everything in this really pretty white envelope. Here's the exciting part, guys. So the bag came wrapped in tissue inside of this dust bag. Are you guys ready? I love these types of videos. I love unboxing videos. Comment down below if you love unboxing videos too. They're just so fun. I love the suspense. But here it is, guys. This is what I purchased. So it is this gorgeous red top handle handbag from Stuart Weitzman that I am absolutely in love with. There's so many reasons why I'm in love with this bag, but the main reason is the color, the look. It just has this gorgeous, classy, y'all. I couldn't have asked for a more nicer, good, better feeling, quality red leather bag. I honestly could not have. Now, what drew me to this bag, of course, was the gold hardware. I love this emblem that's simple, understated, not doing too much. And I honestly feel like it's the perfect handbag size. It's structured. So let me go ahead and just kind of go into some specs about this bag. Haven't done too much, with it because I kind of wanted to wait until I got on here to show you guys, but here it goes. So when you open it, it just opens easily. I love flaps that are just easy to open. Nothing where I'm having to twist, none of that. That's not me. So that was one of the deal breakers for me. It had to have that. And it pretty much, it has tissue. I'll go ahead and just take all this tissue out. And when you just look at it's just simple. Like, you can kind of like, it has the compartment here, the zipper, and then another compartment here with a back pocket right there. And it also has some card slots, if you guys can see that. And then this zipper pocket that just comes, that you could just open up and put anything that you want to have a little more protection. But even with the flap though, you kind of don't really have to be too cautious because that does cover the top. But if you have anything like a wallet or anything that you want zipped, papers or something like that, you can just insert them right there. So very impressed. But what sold me on this bag compared to other red handbags that are on the market, this price point, was this back pocket. Now, this isn't just any back pocket. First of all, it has the magnetic closure, and this is one that you really can't put a cell phone where it won't look crazy. But some of these bags, they'll say like it has a cell phone compartment, and I'm like, what kind of cell phone do these people have? Because my phone, I have like an iPhone 11 Pro Max or something like that. That wouldn't work. So I love how it has this really nice compartment that's a good size. I can put my whole hand in there, as you guys can see. It has the top handle option. It also has a crossbody, adjustable strap, so this could be done crossbody or shoulder. And this, like I said, here's the adjustableness. This is the beautiful gold hardware. I love how the back of that is. I am just in love with this handbag, guys. Like, this bag is everything. Now, you can also remove the strap, which is another feature. I'm telling you, the red handbags on the market are not doing this. So when I seen that this had all of these features, and when I tell you guys how much I paid for it, you guys are really gonna be like, this was a steal. So yeah, it pretty much, you can just take the strap off and just make it just a cute little handbag. This is good for like if you're going to brunch, maybe a night out if you want something a little bigger. I don't know if I would necessarily take this out to like a club type setting, but if you're definitely just going to like a dinner date or something and you just want something cute that still can fit a good amount of stuff, this is good. And of course, if you just want to run to the store and you want to like that pop of, you want a handbag that's kind of just going to elevate your little loungewear a little bit, y'all, this bag is it. So as you can see, you can just remove the strap and it becomes just the perfect little top handle bag. You can wear it on the crook of your arm like that. So I am very, very impressed with the quality of this bag. Now, the part that you guys have all been waiting for, how much does this beautiful bag cost? Now, the price point on this bag is, it normally retails, I want to say, for about $495, which is great. That's still an excellent price point for this bag. But I got it on sale for, I want to say, $196 on like a super clearance. $196. So on this channel, what do we talk about? Affordable luxury. We talk about how you can still look elevated, look good without breaking the bank. How you can get a lot of these designers that are at higher price points at very, very affordable costs. Now, I know $200 is out of some people's price range, and that is still a lot for a handbag. But for the quality, for a handbag, this quality leather that has this much versatility, I don't know too many designers out there doing doing that. I mean, like I said, I researched. When I'm looking for a handbag, I wanted to have specific features. I did not see anything out there that was giving features like this. So guys, make sure if you can get your hands on this bag, I will link it down below. Hopefully they have some left. This color, okay, to be honest, y'all, when I first was trying to purchase this, I like slept on it. I'm like, let me think about it. I might find something different that I like better. And then I'm like, okay, I want to go ahead and get it. When I went to get it, it said it was sold out. I had a panic attack. I'm like, no, where else am I going to find a handbag that had all those features for that price point? No, I have to get that bag. I kept like refreshing the website. I was not playing, like, so I don't know, eventually it appeared. I like did something and it appeared back on the website within like maybe about 30 minutes of me playing around with it. It kept saying sold out. They had another version that I almost got. I'm so glad I didn't though, because it did not have the top handle, and the top handle was something that I'm really starting to see that I like with the handbag, and I knew I wanted something structured. No handbag was offering these features in this color at this price point at all. Like, I mean, there was some that were a little more, and then some that were a little less, or the quality I just wasn't a fan of. So eventually this bag did come back. So I'm not sure if it's something that Stuart Weitzman does with their website or what, but other than that, I mean, that was like the biggest thing that kind of went on when I was trying to purchase this bag. I feel like that was, I don't know what that was about. So I'll link it below. Hopefully it is still available, or maybe it's something that comes in and out of stock. But this bag here is everything. I believe it also comes in black, because I did see the black at Saks. So if I see that one, I'll definitely link that down below. However, it was not on sale. It was regular price. But if you want something in a pop of color, so far, my first impression is this is great. Now, if you guys need to see like a what's in my bag on this, or on any other types of reviews, I know Stuart Weitzman as a handbag is not talked about a lot on YouTube, so I'm not sure, you know, people probably aren't really searching for Stuart Weitzman handbags, but I just want to definitely just get on here because, of course, I share everything that I find that's a good deal, that's affordable, that I really think is worth the splurge. So hopefully this video was helpful to you guys and you learned something new today. Yes, Stuart Weitzman does make bags, and really cute ones at that. And that brings us to the end of the video, guys. So I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Again, make sure if you're not subscribed, perfect time to do it is right now. And again, I just want to say I'm glad you guys made it this far. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.